In our continuing efforts to keep our students and staff members safe, we are introducing an opportunity for staff and students to be tested for COVID-19. In fact, I just had my experience and found out within 15 minutes that I am COVID negative as of this moment. The folks you see behind me are the nurses in ECISD. Today is training day. We're learning how to use and implement this new test.
So when was your last COVID test?
About 2 months ago.
It is a self-test. The nurse simply watches the staff member and the staff member self-administers the test.
5 swirls in each one.
And starting shortly, we will begin to use this test on any adult, any staff member in ECISD that shows symptoms during the school day. So they arrive at work, they're feeling good, but at some point during the day, not feeling so well. We'll have an opportunity to conduct a COVID test.
So you'll know in 15 minutes if you're positive or negative, and then it'll also send a text to you within 2 hours.
So one line is,
So this blue line's going to turn pink, and if that's all you have, it's negative, and if you have 2 lines, it'll be positive. 5 to 6, 7 days because they get behind, and that whole time you're stressed and worried.
well, it's like you said though, if you have the sniffles or you have allergies and you're constantly thinking, oh, well, do I have COVID? You know, and this is a great way of relieving that.
Yes.
I'll do this for a couple of weeks. We'll begin to use this with students. With parent permission, any student that during the school day shows symptoms will have that opportunity.
It's saving so much money. You know, like, we're all stressed, and we don't want to pay for $175 per test. And so in 15 minutes, I can say you're negative with 97% accuracy. Okay, if you have symptoms.
That's excellent.
Yes.
That's good.
And we are incredibly grateful to the state of Texas for providing this opportunity. It will help us again to ensure that our students and staff remain safe through this pandemic.
Glad you got that. Okay, well, that was easy. Yeah.